Well, we had a nice break from it over the weekend, but we certainly have seen our share of stormy weather in recent weeks. Tonight, we're asking who is responsible when Mother Nature leaves a path of damage that impacts vacant homes. Jordan Burgess spoke with city leaders to get you those answers.
Even as storms threaten the area, some damage from a few weeks ago has yet to be cleaned up. So we're asking why this tree is still on this house and what can be done about it. A tree whose bark still has some bite. Right now, it's the only thing still residing at this vacant Riverside home. We wanted to know what can be done to get rid of this eyesore.
We can notice that property as being in violation of the city zoning code.
We did find a violation notice on the door. Normally, after 10 days, the city will then pay a contractor to take care of the tree. But because of all the recent storm damage, Riverside is giving residents until July 18th to remove any downed trees or branches.
And then we can step in and take care of that issue if it's still unresolved.
But stepping in can put taxpayers on the hook for the cost, although the city does try to bill property owners for the cleanup. Do you guys end up getting that money back?
Yes, in most instances, I would say we probably have about a 60% collection rate based on the services that we perform, and then we invoice those property owners where we perform those services. In instances where we are not immediately reimbursed, we do assess those costs onto the tax roll.
But in this case, records we looked up show more than $16,000 is already owed in taxes on the property, and the person listed as the owner died 2 years ago. So removing this tree likely won't come with a refund. You think it's worth it to be able to do this?
Well, I think what this program is really about is maintaining the neighborhoods as they are currently, and then also working to improve the characteristics of a lot of those neighborhoods.
And a reminder, if you're still dealing with debris from the storm damage, you can't just set it by the curb. You have to have it cut up so that crews will take it. Jordan Burgess, 2 News, working for you.